my buddy because I feel like these days, like these girls don't have any respect for themselves and they're showing everything. So I just choose to show nothing. Yeah. So other than that, I'm a student. I live in New Jersey, Connecticut. Well, New Jersey. I'm a very artistic person. I think my personality is just brilliant because I'm a very nice person. And like, I like talking on the phone and stuff like that. Other than that, that's all I have to say, I really love my family and stuff. Yeah, and I like chilling at home. And, stuff like that, you know. I don't really get too deep. So, ooh, my phone's ringing. Oh. Hello? I'm calling back in 5 minutes, okay? Alright. Alright, bye. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm sorry. But, you know, that's all I have to say. You know, just admire my conservativeness and, you know, my niceness. And that's about it. Well, I guess I gotta go.